Hi, Bethany. I'm going to play I'm Not Alone in the key of C, and I am going to do an intro and then get straight into it. Okay. Thank you. Excuse the background noise. My granddaughter's watching Daniel Tiger.
And that's our puppy. And this is Kim's classroom, where she normally has keyboards set up. She overtook our office.
Please pray.